In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Uniswap app on Android. By the end, you will have the official Uniswap wallet ready to open on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You should see the familiar Play Store home screen with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. If you have multiple user accounts on your phone, make sure you are in the account where you want the app installed. Now tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. The keyboard will appear, and the search field will be active, usually showing a blinking cursor. This tells you that anything you type next will be used to look for apps in the store. In the search bar, type Uniswap Wallet, then run the search. As the results load, you will see a list of apps with icons, names, and publishers. If you make a typo, just clear the text and re-enter Uniswap Wallet so the correct app appears near the top. From the search results, select the Uniswap Wallet app entry. Tap on the one that clearly shows Uniswap Wallet as the name so you open its full app page. The screen now shows the app icon, screenshots, rating, and an install button, along with extra details as you scroll. Before installing, verify that it is the official app from Uniswap Labs. Look right under the app name and confirm the developer is listed as Uniswap Labs, not any variation or extra words. You can also scroll down a little and check the contact or developer section, which should again mention Uniswap Labs, so you know you are not installing an imitation. Once you are sure it is the real one, tap Install. The button will change and a progress indicator will appear, either a circle or a bar. On a fast connection, the download may finish quickly, but on a slower network, the Play Store can take a bit longer to fetch all the files. Wait for the installation to finish. During this time, the Install button changes to a progress display, then to an Open button when everything is ready. You do not need to leave this screen and you can watch the progress ring fill so you know it is still working. After the install completes, tap Open. This launches the Uniswap Wallet app for the first time, and you will see the welcome or introduction screen appear. Many users like to open straight from the Play Store the first time because it confirms the app launched correctly before they look for the icon on the home screen. On the welcome screen, choose Create a Wallet if you want to make a brand new wallet on this device. If you already have a Uniswap wallet or another compatible wallet, choose the option to restore an existing wallet instead. When restoring, the app will guide you through entering your recovery phrase, and the wallet contents will load onto this Android phone. You have now downloaded the official Uniswap wallet on Android and reached the wallet setup screen. If this helped you get Uniswap running, a quick thumbs up would help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more clear crypto walkthroughs.